Hello again. Now I'm going to make the cat walk around through different backdrops and meet some other evil character, and well, we'll see what happens. So, to make the cat go when I click the keyboard, I use the event when right arrow press, then go into motion, move 10 steps after pointing right. Remember, you first point and then move, and then change to next custom. I duplicate this so I get, when I click the left arrow, point left, move and change custom, and I would switch the rotation style into left right so it doesn't turn upside down when pointing left. Now I'm going to get a couple of, several backdrops like this, and this one, and another one. So we'll start at the brick wall one and end at the castle 2. I delete the white backdrop. Then, so I'm going to use the stage script to say that when everything starts, we will start at the brick wall backdrop. So switch backdrop to brick wall 1. That's it. And now place the cat there, and I'm going to get the other character. Going to fantasy, let's say it's a goal. So this is the goal. It's got two customs like this one and this menacing stance. So, well, I want the goal to appear at the castle door and not on the way nor at the brick wall. So here I can use something at events, which is when backdrop switches to, and then I say when backdrop switches to castle, I'm going to look and choose show, because there is a hide and show commands under looks. Then I can go here again and choose when backdrop switches to brick wall, hide, and duplicate this and get when backdrop switches to castle. Which castle is the last one? That should be the castle 2, I guess. Let's just check to be on the safe side. Castle 2 is the last one, okay, with the castle door. So the goal is going to appear only when the cat gets to the castle door. Let's check that this works. So no goal there. Oh, I forgot to program the cat to make the backdrop switch. So let's go into the cat and do this again. So control forever, checking if getting to the right or if getting to the left. I'm sorry, not one inside the other, but one after the other. We are checking this forever after the green flag is clicked, and we are checking that the X position is either right of the right edge, so bigger than 250, or left to the left edge, so smaller than minus 250. And again, what happens when the cat gets to the right? That the backdoor switches to the next, and when exiting left, the backdrop switches to the previous, and the position of the cat changes, the horizontal one. So from plus 250 it goes into minus 250, and from minus 250 it gets into plus 250. And now there we go, moving the cat, next backdrop, next one, and the goal is not there. Why? Let's check it again. Goal when backdrop switches to castle 2 show. I got it when backdrop switches to castle 2. This is castle 3 here. So let's try again. There, no goal, and there's the goal. Okay, the goal, well, as we are peering from the left, how about if we make the goal point left so it looks at the cat? So let's make it, when showing, let's rearrange this like that. Neither brick wall nor castle 2, but yes, when in castle, no, castle 3, but yes, when in castle 2, then show point left, and we will get the rotation style left right like that. And well, here we are going to make the goal ask something to the cat. Asking and answering is one way of interacting, and that's under sensing here. So here you get ask something and the answer. We are going to make the goal ask something to the cat. What? Some riddle. Let's Google for riddles. So there is some riddles. How about if we choose short one? When is a man drowned but still not wet? When he's trapped in quicksand. Good. So that's a difficult one. So let's copy this. There. And now I'm going to copy also the answer. Okay. Well, so let's see how this is going on. So we start, cat strolling, tra-la-la, back again, go, and then there's the goal. And it's asking the cat, and then I got this box to answer. I can answer I don't know, and enter. Well, nothing happens because I haven't programmed anything to happen. Well, then goals here, cat is there. I would like the cat to have some time to get more centered on this stage. So how about if we use some weight here, like that. So we wait 1 second so the cat gets more to the center, and I can place the goal like that. Now, what am I going to do with the question? I'm going to compare it with the answer. And checking, we already know, is under control and is an if statement. But now I will pay attention to this other if with an else too. So, if a condition is true, if something happens, then whatever, and if not, that's the meaning of the else, then something else is going to happen. Let's say that the cat answers right. So here, just below the question is the answer. So I can say if answer equals, and this under operators, the right answer, and I can paste it because I've already copied it. I will remove the final stop, that one. If this is the answer, then everything should be okay. So let's say the goal says something, and saying things is under looks too here. Saying and thinking. Say, right. You can go on, and then, well, let's make the goal disappear with a hi. But if the answer is wrong, then something nasty is going to happen to the cat. So let's have the goal say wrong, like shouting, wrong. Oops. Should be here. Wrong. Oops. Dun, dun. You die for, well, let's say it for 2 seconds. So the cat's going to die. But then this is the script area for the goal. So those are things that happen to the goal. Now we want something to happen to the cat. So how can we make these two, goal and cat, interact at this distance? In like an action at a distance. Well, some information has to cross the gap. So let's make the goal send a message, and that's under events. So broadcast a message. New message, and the message is going to be that. Now the goal broadcast a message, and let's make sure the cat gets it. So when I receive die, and we're going to make the cat die in an interesting way. Let's say the goal sends some magic spell or something, and now the cat is going to go into some trouble with the changing color, changing whirl effect. So we're going to change the whirl effect. Those are graphic effects. We're going to use this one and make it happen several times. In control we can use repeat, maybe not that many times. Let's try with 5 and then we may change it. Whirl effect, and then some disappearing act, like using the ghost effect, and then some waiting so we can watch it happening. Wait for 1 second. Well, let's try. There is the goal. Now I can answer I don't know. Wrong to die. Oh, whirl effect and ghost effect. Maybe too much of a ghost effect and too little of a whirl effect. So let's make this ghost effect by 10 and then make it repeat 10 times. Here we go again. Then okay, that's like good. Bye bye cat. Now let's check that we can answer right. When he's trapped in quicksand, was it? Right, you can go on. Plop. And then I go up. And that was all.